Introducing the brand new app for Wabash CUSD on Android and iPhone. It's everything Mount Carmel in your pocket. This is the home screen. Tap the school's icon in the top right or swipe left to select a specific school. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left or swipe right to see all the menu items. To turn on push notifications, tap Settings and select Turn on Notifications. You can even pick which school to receive notifications from. The cafeteria menu is listed under Dining. Here you'll find an easy-to-navigate weekly menu sorted by day and meal type. Live Feed is where you'll find updates from administration about what's going on in the district right now, whether that's celebrating a student's success or reminding you about an upcoming deadline. Search Wabash 348 Illinois in the App Store or Play Store to explore the app for yourself. It's everything Mount Carmel in your pocket.